At the beginning of the school year, we took a personality test called the True Colors Personality Test. This test describes our different personality types or colors.
Blues are emotionally driven, seek out harmony, are enthusiastic, creative, and sympathetic. Golds are loyalty driven, respect all rules and authority figures, and they are usually organized.
Greens are driven by logic, they're independent thinkers, focused, and analytical. Oranges are adventurous, competitive, short-term driven, and they welcome changes and variety in their lives.
After we took the personality test, we noticed how similar the categories are to the STEAM habits. Each of the four relates to one or more of the STEAM habits, so we decided to do an experiment. Our question was to find out if we could make a personality quiz based off of these STEAM habits. This, in theory, will help those who take it discover in what categories they excel in or have areas of growth.
The process was very interesting. We first had to split into groups. Each group had to write and answer 30 questions that related to the STEAM habits. We had to use a lot of critical thinking, as we had to make questions as blind as we could, meaning not obvious to any potential quiz takers. We also had to include multiple +1 correlations in order to determine the quiz results.
Then we had to learn a medley of different coding formulas that our teacher from our school's computational thinking department, Ms. Morales, taught us. In order to do this PBL, we had to participate in cross-curricular learning. Doing coding in English class is something you wouldn't expect. It was really difficult and stressed our critical thinking skills to the max.
In our final product, we made a personality test based on our STEAM habits, which is our values of our school. The 6 STEAM habits are active and responsible decision maker, altruistic leader, creative and critical thinker, effective communicator, engaged learner, and intentional collaborator. We had to make sure everything matched up perfectly, and then we gave it to our students at STEAM Academy. Let's make history!
At the beginning of the school year, we took a test called the True Colors Personality Test. This test gave us, colors based
Stop.